Hello kids, how are you? I hope you are fine and taking care of yourself. Very good. So you know children, I am feeling too hot today. I am feeling so hot. I am sweating a lot. You know, बहुत पसीना. You know, why am I sweating so much? Because we have summer season right now. है ना? Which season is going on? Summer season. In which season there is so much sweat, इतना पसीना. Which season? In which season it happens that we are sweating? We are sweating so much, है ना? So in which season it happens? It happens in summer season. Sun is so bright, you know. Why? Because there are no clouds and there is nothing in the sky. The rays are coming directly to us and it is making the atmosphere so hot. है ना? So what is the season? Which season is this? The season is summer season. The summer season makes the atmosphere hot because the sun is very bright. So, do you know kids what kind of clothes we wear in the summer season? We wear cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes. Why do we wear cotton clothes? Because cotton clothes makes us cool. Why and how? Because it absorbs the sweat we have during this season and then the air we feel is cool. Okay? We feel the air is cool. So, we wear cotton clothes during summer season. Okay? So, first of all, what do the boys wear? Vest. What is this? This is a t-shirt. This is a t-shirt. This is cut sleeves t-shirt. The boys wear t-shirt during the summer season. Okay? So, what is this? Yeah, this is shorts. This is shorts. So, boys wear shorts, the half pant type shorts in the summer season. Okay. Now, what does girl wear? Yeah, the girl wears a frock. Okay, a frock. And what else she wear? She wears, okay, what is this? This is a skirt. Yes, she wears skirt in the summer season. Yeah, okay. Now, what is this? Okay, we don't wear shoes in the summer season because they makes us feel hot. है ना? गर्मी लगती है in the shoes. So, we wear sandals. Okay? And what else we wear? We wear this slippers. Okay? In the summer season. Now, last but not the least, this is sunglasses. We have known now, this is sunglasses. It is also known as goggles. Goggles protects our eyes, saves our eyes from the rays that come from the bright sun. है ना? So the sun is also wearing sunglasses. See? So these are the summer clothes. Now I will tell you what kind of fruits we eat in the summer season. Okay? So can you tell me what do we eat? It's yummy, yummy. Mango. Yeah, it comes in the summer season. The mango. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? Yeah, this is watermelon. This is watermelon. This is also summer fruit. Okay. Now this tasty lychee. Yeah. Do you like lychee? Yeah. So this is also summer fruit. Now what is this? Yeah, this is muskmelon. This is also a kind of melon. This is muskmelon. This is also very yummy. And the last one. Now you have some more fruits also, but this is very, very healthy for you. This is coconut water. This you should have once daily. Okay, it makes your immunity strong and you will feel much better. Okay, so we have known about the fruits. Now this is, yeah, this is a swimming pool. Yeah, we use swimming pool in the summer season. When there is summer, then your mama and papa takes you to the swimming pool and you can swim there. Now let's recall. Now what is this? This is a t-shirt that the boys wear in the summer season, and this is vest. Now this is, yeah, this is the shorts that the boys wear in the summer season. This is, yeah, this is frock. Okay, this is a skirt that the girls wear. Girls wear frock and skirt as well in the summer season. Now what do we wear in the foot? What do we wear? Sandals and slippers. Okay, and what do we eat in the summer season? This is mango and muskmelon. This is watermelon and coconut water we should drink, and this is lychee, है ना? And this is swimming pool where we go and enjoy during the summer season. Now kids, we are going to have some fun. We have got one boy, okay, and also a girl. Okay, so we are going to dress them up. See, we have got the summer clothes here. Okay, we have got all the summer clothes here. Now we are going to dress them up. So what is this? The boy will wear frock? No. So shorts? No. First of all, a vest. Okay, now what is he going to wear? Skirt? No. He is going to wear this t-shirt. Now, after this, what will he wear? Next, this shorts. This shorts. Isn't it looking good? Yeah, it's looking good. Now, what will he wear next? He is going to put on the sandals. Okay. Now, what about her? She will wear this skirt? No, we don't have got the blouse. So, she is going to wear this frock. Now, what next? She will put on this slippers. Yes. So, isn't she looking good? Yeah, they both are looking good. Now, let him wear this goggles also. Yes. Now, they are looking pretty. So kids, like this you can also make one boy and girl, and you can make the dresses, their dresses, and dress them up. Okay? So now we are going to play a game. Now kids, in this game we have got a number of clothes here. Okay? A number of clothes. So we have to find out that which clothes do we wear in the summer season and which clothes we don't wear in the summer season. Okay? So first of all, what is this? This is a sweater. Do we wear a sweater in the summer season? No. So we are going to knock out. Okay? Now, what is this? This is a short. This is shorts that the boys wear in the summer season. Yes, so we are not going to knock out. Okay, what is this? This is jacket. Do we wear a jacket in the summer season? No way. We will feel hot. So, we knock out. Now, what is this? This is a frock. Yes, the girls wear frock in the summer season. So, we are not going to knock it out. Now, what is this? This is t-shirt. Yes, boys wear the t-shirt in the summer season. Now, what next? This is gumboot. So, do we wear gumboots in the summer season? No. So, knock out. Now, what is this? This one is a raincoat. Do we wear a raincoat in the summer season? No. So, knock out. Okay. So, in the last we have got what we wear in the summer season. That is frock and t-shirt and shorts. We wear in the summer season. Okay? Now kids, we are going to do one activity for the summertime. Okay, let's go. So kids, now today you see what we are going to make? Yes, I for ice cream. Yeah, so we love to eat ice cream in the summer season. So, okay, so I'm keeping it here. So we will see how we make it. So I have taken this sheet of paper. Okay, so fold it like this. Okay, and watch carefully what I do. Okay, so you fold it like this, and now you cut it from this side. Okay, not from the open side, from the closed side. Okay, and you cut it like this. Ask your mama या papa, mom or dad to cut it for you, and you get it like this. Okay, you get it like this, a half circle. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to hold it like this and just roll it like this, and now we keep this portion in the corner and make a cone. Okay, so we are making a cone like this. See, here it is closed and here it is open. Okay, so take help from your parents. Okay, so we hold it like this, and now I take glue and I stick it. Okay, I have to be careful. Yes. Okay, now I have made this cone. Okay, now what we are going to do, now we will make some designs in it. So we take any sketch pen or crayon you can take, and then you can just make lines like this. Move it in one direction and you just make round and round and go upwards. ऊपर की तरफ ले जाएंगे. Okay, like this. Okay, so now I am here. Okay, now you will again start from here and move in the other direction. Move it, roll and roll and round, and you will see that a design is being made. Okay, now when we have made this cone, after that we need to have some cotton. Okay, some cotton like this. So I keep it here, and now I just take some cotton in my hand and roll it like this. Okay, roll it like this, make a ball, keep it here. Make a roll, make a ball. Now when we have made the balls, now I take some cotton and put it inside. Okay, now after this I put these balls one by one and stick it. Okay. See, looks yummy now. Yes, it looks yummy. Okay, so I've got a big ice cream. Now what we are going to do is take some colorful paper. Okay, take some colorful paper like this, and then I cut it into small pieces. Now I take this ice cream cone and then put, just no need to stick it, you just put it here and there all over. So isn't it looking yummy? Make this kind of ice cream and send me a picture. Okay, send me a picture of that. So I've got two ice cream cones. Yes. Yummy. So, did you like the activity, kids? Very good. So, you will make this kind of ice cream, okay, ice cream cone, and then you will send me the picture of that. So, take care of yourself and your family. Stay safe and we'll see you again. Okay? Bye-bye.